The move to decentralization. Fundamentally speaking, decentralization is to transfer the power and authority of a central institution or community to its members and making the community members self-sovereign. Power is that the force to regulate others forcibly within the system, and authority is that the right to exert this influence. Why decentralization? First, let's start by understanding the structure of the Internet. In fact, the Internet world is monopolized by a few Internet service providers and only provides a single Internet media service. Our data is stored in its Internet database, and therefore the Internet is constructed around these centralized institutions. We must pay fees to those intermediaries to use their services and products like Facebook, Amazon, Google, or various retail bank accounts, etc. However, these intermediaries will collect our information, browsing habits, purchase records, and other data through those free online services, and sell our personal data for profit, with or without our knowledge. Having said that, why can others benefit from our personal data? Now we are on the point of entering an era of self-sovereignty that's not constrained by centralized intermediary custody. Power is going to be transferred from centralized intermediaries to users. They're going to have that self-sovereignty to manage their digital assets and personas.